Ride, don't blink, ride, leave it to the double thick thighs.
Wake up, bro. This isn't reality. You're trapped, and you're the only one who can get yourself out of it. It's time to take control and break free from the cycle holding you back. Rule the empire. Clean your room, deep. Clean your house. Get rid of everything that's cluttering your mind. Refuse to live in a monument of filth, an ever-present reminder of tasks left unfinished. The space you occupy is a reflection of yourself. Is it disorganized? Because if it is, so are you. So, make a choice. You can either put yourself in order or put your empire in order. It's the same thing. No more half-hearted efforts. Go through each room and set things right. Make them beautiful. When you're clean, and so is your space, you'll feel like you've got things under control. And that sense of order will encourage you to apply that same energy to the rest of your life. Start with what you can control. Get out of the house. Getting out of the house is essential for fixing your life, even if you don't often find a reason to leave. Whether you work from home or attend online classes as a student, it's important to spend at least 2 to 3 hours outside each day for your mental health. You can hit the gym, play sports, take a walk, or catch up with friends. These simple actions can have a big impact. If you're not stepping outside regularly, start now and turn it into a routine. A change of environment can uplift your mood, restore your energy, and provide a fresh outlook on life. Addictions. You're addicted to the internet, fapping, scrolling endlessly through TikTok, or spending hours playing video games. You're literally wasting the most precious time of your life on these mindless activities. Every moment you give to these habits is a moment you're stealing from your future. You need to realize how much of your potential is being lost. It's time to break free from these chains and take control of your time. Instead of escaping into distractions, use that time to build something meaningful. Work on your skills, invest in your health, or pursue goals that actually matter. Every minute you reclaim from your addictions is a step toward a better, more fulfilling life. Sunlight. I don't care if it's winter or summer, you need to get sunlight. You must get direct exposure to sunlight in the morning because it sets the tone for your entire day. Sunlight helps you feel more energized, boosts your mood, and makes you happier. It regulates your body's internal clock, improves your sleep, and gives you essential vitamin D. Even if it's cold or too hot outside, taking time to soak in some sunlight is crucial for your well-being. So, make it a part of your daily routine, and you'll notice the positive changes in how you feel, both mentally and physically. Wrap up.